In front of me I've got OPPO A18. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. At the beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu. Go to Settings, Google Assistant, Voice Match, and enable Hey Google function. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be rainy, with a high of 17 and a low of 8.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.